My name is Cheata and I'm a SE Batch 12 student here at KIT. My passions and dreams changes a lot, but right now is that I want to be a cybersecurity engineer who works in the military in the future. I chose software engineering because I'm always interested in programming and hacking and also technology. And so I've always really just involved myself in competition related to programming and stuff like that. For example, like Asian Cyber Kids, like since I was in the 7th grade. Yeah, so in high school, I've really involved myself in it, and the more I involved myself in it, the more I find out that I really liked being in this field. And because I'm interested in hacking, I thought that software engineering is just a pathway for me to go there. So I just started my internship this second year, semester 3, and I would say there's a lot of pressure. Like if you can't handle pressure, I wouldn't recommend KIT, but if you can handle pressure and you really want to basically become the best self, your best self, then I would recommend KIT internship a lot. One thing that I've learned is that time management and project planning, it helps you go a long way. Also, I would say things that my project lead always tell me, she told me that learn in a hard way, not in easy way, because that's how you improve yourself. I think main reason why I chose KIT back then was because I want more than just a typical classroom experience. Compared to other school in Phnom Penh, which is sitting in classroom learning from the lecturers, and stuff like that. But here we have a supportive community, KITian, and we're at the resort, and we have, and I'm also drawn to international lecturers as well, and of course the curriculum. Other university also got international lecturers, but at the same time, what we have differently is KIT internship and our supportive KITian. The internship is basically train you to be more professional so that you are ready for the industry in the future. For those people who consider KIT, I just want to say that here you will get inspired, challenged. Also, you will learn a lot. You will leave this school with real skill, real practical skill that will prepare you for the industry in real life. So choose KIT.